Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Siri not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste it. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution, you have turn off low power mode. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on battery and then turn off low power mode. I have already turned off, then you have must be turned off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have allow app on screen time. So you have open the again setting and click on screen time. So then you have allowed app. So then you have always allowed app and then you have from uh, so then you have see the oh sorry guys, so then you have click on content and privacy. So then you have allowed app. So then you have Siri and dictation. So then you have turn on allowed app from here. So then uh, third solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your problem will be fixed and mobile will restart and your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working, the other solution, you have disconnect airpods and beat earbuds, then you have while not using. So then last solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general. So then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting on your iPhone and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.